Hi, in this video, you will learn about Norton Ultimate Help Desk. Do these experiences mirror your own? If so, Norton's Ultimate Help Desk service is on hand to help. Our skilled team of experts is equipped with the knowledge needed to fix the issues which stand in the way of you and your device. You can get a wide range of technical troubleshooting for your computers, laptops, mobile devices, and peripherals. Norton Ultimate Help Desk brings IT home, virtually. Norton experts are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, and provide Norton Ultimate Help Desk services remotely, on demand, at a fraction of the cost of an in-home service call or a local repair shop. If anything goes wrong or you need help with your connected devices, all it takes is just a phone call to fix it. For more information, please visit norton.com/services. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.norton.com.